In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transform your NinjaTrader into TradingView. By the end, you'll have a direct connection set up so your NinjaTrader market data flows into TradingView, perfect for fast, reliable charting and manual trading inside the TradingView interface. First, open TradingView. If you're on the web, go to the TradingView site and open any chart. If you're using the desktop app, launch it and bring a chart to the front. Now look along the bottom of the chart area and click Trading Panel. This is the section where TradingView lists all available broker and platform connections. If your panel is collapsed, hover near the bottom edge and expand it so you can see the full broker list. Next, from the broker list, select NinjaTrader. You'll see a tile or button labeled NinjaTrader. Click it once to highlight it. Then click Connect if you see that option. This tells TradingView you want a link to your NinjaTrader account for real-time market data and order routing inside the TradingView chart. Now, log in using your NinjaTrader or TradingView credentials. A login window will appear. Type your username or email and your password, exactly as you use them for NinjaTrader or TradingView. You can use either your live account credentials or your demo account credentials here. Take a moment to carefully enter the details, then confirm to continue. If the window asks you to allow the connection, approve it. Your screen recording should avoid showing sensitive information. Just type your credentials and proceed. The login can take a few seconds the first time, so let it complete without clicking away. Once that's done, market data from your NinjaTrader account will populate the TradingView charts. You should see prices updating smoothly on your current symbol and time frame. In the trading panel, the status next to NinjaTrader will show as connected, and your chart will reflect the direct feed coming from your NinjaTrader account. From here, you can keep your layout, indicators, and drawings exactly as you prefer in TradingView while benefiting from your NinjaTrader market data for charting and manual trading. If you switch symbols or time frames, the feed will continue to update in real time. Your cursor, zoom, and drawing tools all work as usual, and your order panel inside TradingView is now backed by the NinjaTrader connection you just established. If you're using a demo login, you'll see demo data and can practice safely. If you used live credentials, you'll see your live market data on the same TradingView charts. That's the expected behavior with this direct connection. At this point, your setup is complete. You opened TradingView and went to the trading panel at the bottom, selected NinjaTrader from the broker list, logged in with your NinjaTrader or TradingView credentials, and confirmed that market data from your NinjaTrader account is now driving your TradingView charts. The connection is active and ready for charting and manual trading within the TradingView interface. Your NinjaTrader to TradingView direct connection is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.